Hey y'all, welcome back to another video, and today I am by myself. So, today I'm eating Jamaican food. I have some curry chicken with rice and peas and salad. You already know I told you how I like my salad in the last video, but this salad isn't too bad. It smells good, it tastes good, and I'm hungry, which is all the time. Lately, I've been realizing that I've been eating a lot, but hey, so good. So lately, there's the bone. Lately, I've been thinking about looking for a job. And learning how to drive. Because, you know what? I gotta make coin, you know? I don't make that coin. And I wanna whip around with my friends to the summer. So, the party's starting and all that, and I can drive myself and I can drive back home. So, that's why I'm about to start. I mean, I kind of started already, but I'm put my focus more into that. And also, something I've been seeing a lot on YouTube is that these ads, and the ads I keep seeing is Toy Story 4, I think, and what's the Chucky one called? What's that Chucky? I have the name at the tip of my tongue, and I just can't like say it. Like Child's Play. I think it's like that's the name of it. But you know what I'm talking about. That new weird looking Chucky. I can't wait. Cause I just keep seeing the trailer. Like I'll watch a YouTube video, and those will literally be like the only ads I'll see. And if you know me, I love scary movies. I don't know why. I just do. I think because my parents like it. I like it too. But from what I've seen on the commercial is that there's a little boy and a young mother, and the boy is like antisocial. I think he's like antisocial, and he has a hearing aid, so he doesn't really like get along with like other people. So his mother bought him the Chucky doll, and then after she bought the Chucky doll for him, he started realizing that it was acting weird. And stuff. I don't really know too much because I haven't seen it, but from the looks of it, it looks like he didn't like want to tell anybody like what was going on, because like nobody would believe him, so like he just kind of gave up on that part until, you know. So I can't wait for that to come out. But Toy Story 4 comes out June 24th, and I seen that commercial. I mean ad. Same thing. And it was basically, from what I seen, was, because I went like short and simple, but it was like kind of funny. So the little girl, I forgot her name, Annie, I don't know. She had came back. Oh, speaking of Annie, a new Insidious or Annabelle, I think, yeah, a new Annabelle movie is coming out also, and I'm waiting for that too, because that one is crazy. I'll tell you after the Toy Story. And that one is where Woody goes in the little girl's book bag. She comes back from school. The toys are just sitting there, like all of them. And then she drops her book bag. Her mom calls her. She goes back out. Woody comes out the book bag, you know, telling them. And the toys were like, "Oh, you shouldn't be going with her to school and all that stuff because she could get in trouble." And then they were like, "Oh," Woody was like, "Oh, she made a new friend." And they were like, "Oh, that's nice." And like, no, she made an actual like fork toy. I don't know. You if you see the commercial, you'll see the little fork toy thingy. I think it's evil, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know. But the Insidious movie, no. I think it's Annabelle. It's like all kind of the same thing, like Annabelle, Insidious. But basically, in this movie, the Annabelle, no. Alright, so you have to watch like Insidious to know those people. There was like a kid, and in that house, like that house where they have all those like haunted toys and all that stuff, the demon toys and all that stuff in their little room. If you watch the movies, you would know. And it's actually real. Like it's based on a true story, which is creepy, but it's true. And there's a real Annabelle doll. And I was reading online, there's like real stories of like people messing with the doll and like dying 2 hours later. Like I heard that somebody like was like taunting it and like saying like, "Oh, this doll isn't real." It was a couple. In 2 hours they supposedly died, but I don't know. So in like a car crash, I think. But in that movie, it was like, I don't really remember it, but I liked it because it was like different. Like it was like, I don't know. It was kids. It was a kid and somebody that was babysitting the kid, or two girls that were babysitting a kid in that house, and she had went in the room because the little boy had opened the door because I guess they wanted to see in the room, a little haunted room. If you like search it up, you can see what it is. So she had went in the room with them, and they were looking at the stuff, and I don't know if Annabelle was already gone or they were looking at Annabelle, and then they had went back in the room and Annabelle was gone. And they had called because Oh yes, because the people that like own the little house and little dolls and all that stuff, they were traveling and they called them and they were like, Annabelle's gone and stuff is happening around the house, and they were like, okay, she needs this, da 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 da, and yeah, and then it was all crazy and it was just scary, and I like scary stuff, so yeah, I'm basically done, but I have this chicken, so yeah. I have to watch Final Destination on Netflix. Cause I seen that they had it on Netflix now, so why not watch it? Actually, sorry, the day before my trip, I was watching it, Final Destination, and then we went to Panama, and it was gone. So I think they have like the movies like changing like your different like country or whatever. Because I was like, dang, like, you had all of them, and I missed it. Like, and when I came back, I searched it up, you know, one last time, and it pops up, and I'm just like, okay. So yeah. Comment down below your favorite movie, so I can watch it. But my favorites would be Wrong Turn, that Texas Chainsaw thing, that was scary. Saw, what else? This is a whole lot. Like, I like Insidious, obviously. I like Insidious. Basically done. I kinda don't want the salad. I'm not really a salad person, but I'll eat some for you guys. Change of plans, I'm not eating the salad. Okay. Well, thank y'all for watching. I'm tired. It's early. I wanna go job hunting because, you know, I could do something, not be home, and get money, you know? Learn how to whip. So yeah, I'm about to go do that, and yeah. But before you click off this video, I'm gonna need y'all to please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see y'all next time. Bye. Mwah.